Snap down, kick is up on the way, and it is good. So the Blizzard Ayers back to receive for Massachusetts. This one high and away. It'll be fielded in the end zone. Triggs is the holder. Snap down, kick is up, and it is good. So is 1 minute here into the second quarter. Nell will send this one high. It'll be the holder. Snap is down, kick is up on its way. Henry Nell is remaining in the first half. The former Missouri Tiger. This one in the air, and that one, it's going to be a deuce. The Pirates, they're going to put them at the 2.5-yard line. Still 26. Snap down, kick is up, and on its way, it is good. So the Blizzard go into the half with a 6. Sends it up, and it is good. So with Massachusetts, and it is going to be an onside kick up in the air. Who will it be? Is it Blizzard football? I think it's Blizzard football. The Blizzard have 36-34. Only a 2-point deficit. And the Blizzard have the football at the 14-yard line. And the Blizzard are on the board early. Nell's extra point is up and good. And the Blizzard are up 7-0 with 11:30. Snap down, kick is up on the way, and it hits
it's good.
the wire and bounces it. Snap is down, kick is up on the way, and it is good. After a Malik Reeves interception. Henry Nell set to Dream. This one is high, and Jones going to field it near the back of the end zone. He'll take it out. Odd snap. Nell's going to put it up and still going to put it through. Snap is down, kick is up on its way, and it is good. Snap is down, kick is on its way. It's got the leg off the upright. Nell on to attempt the point after. Kick is up, and it is good. It's like number 23, Michael Witherspoon out of East Carolina. This one will be fielded in the end zone by, and Henry Nell is set to kick this one away. It'll be, snap is down, kick is up on its way, and it is good. Henry Nell puts it through, makes it a 20-point ball game.
Immediate timeout.
With 8:48 remaining in the.
Henry Nell sets up for the point after. Hold is good. Instead of Saunders, it's Thomas in the spotlight. Henry Nell extra point is right down Broadway. Blizzard take the lead back, 14-10. Henry Nell sends it away. A high bounce, Hendrick picks it up just in front of the end zone. Carrying that thing like a loaf of bread. He might just carry it to the end zone, and he's tackled.
See better ball security, maybe get that mouthpiece in. But, hey, when you're...
Blizzard take the lead back. Henry Nell tacks on the point after. Blizzard go back. Snap a little high, but Blizzard able to control it. Kick is up. This one from 32. Snap and holder good, and so's the kick. With just 2 breakdowns up front. Nell kicks it away. Hendrick and Kerrigan back to receive. Off Kerrigan's fingertips, he's got to get this out of the end zone. And he might not have gotten it. Triggs does a good job of controlling a high snap, and the kick is up and good.